This is going to be the first start after the rebuild. As you can see, no radiator. MAF is hooked up. Don't have a blow-off valve on here. Waiting on a few parts on that. Checked it a while ago. I do have a fuel leak, or did have. Fix that. So I'm going to go ahead and try and fire it for the first time. It's about 8 o'clock at night. No exhaust manifolds whatsoever. Or no downpipe. So we'll see what this does. It might piss off the neighbors a little bit. Not too bad for the first start. I think I'll take it.